What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to talk about why most affiliate marketers fail. It is a very common practice. We see it a lot in business in general, but with affiliate marketers there's like a large percentage of affiliates who don't make it, and there's basically, in my opinion, three big reasons why this happens over and over and over again. Let me just go through these three for you and explain my thoughts on them. So the first one is basically every beginner in the business world makes this mistake at some point. However, it's not a big deal. However, if you stick to this problem over and over and over again, you're just going in circles, and it's the shiny object syndrome. The grass is always greener on the other side. Every time you're doing something, you're figuring out how the business works, you see something, oh, it's difficult. Oh, I'm struggling, and hey, that looks easy. For affiliate marketers, it's usually like, hey, I make a YouTube channel like this one. I'm gonna make video reviews about products for Amazon affiliate program. Then it's like, oh, a video a day is quite tough. I hear these bloggers, they make so much more money by only writing text. Then they go to make a blog, then they write a text. Then it's like, oh, writing is boring. I hear you can just build mass page sites with like black hat SEO, rank them and make more money. So, and it's less effort, so let's do that. Every single time they give it like 2 weeks to a month, and they just don't break that barrier of the first 3 months, and then you start to gain momentum. The momentum is so big. When I look at my own progress, it took me from April to September, which is 4 months, to get the ball rolling. And then from September to December, I 25 times my income. So it went from April to September 8 times, and then from compounded, right, as well. So it's huge. The thing is, you need to focus. Focus is the one thing that keeps you grounded and removes the shiny object syndrome. For me personally, right now, I'm looking at other business opportunities. There's so many things that I'm like, I will look at it once I'm on the next level, because obviously you have to prepare. But for affiliate marketers is, do what you're doing, stick with it, set a certain goal from the beginning, and until you achieve that goal, you're not going to do anything else. Every business is difficult and other businesses are not easier. Number 2, treat this as a business and not just as a hobby. I see a lot of people doing what I did. Have a real job, and then, a real job, I mean day job, and then do this part-time, like 1 or 2 hours a day. What happens is, if you don't fully commit and treat it as a business, so keep the administration in check, send out the invoices, monitor the leads, everything, it's always going to be a hobby. So if you don't have the goal of doing 10K a month while you're working for 40 hours and while you're working another 30 to 40 hours on this business, then it's not going to happen. You cannot expect to build a business of like half an hour a day. And you see all these, I know, like digital nomads, I make $1 million working half an hour a day. It's fucking bullshit. They don't build real businesses. They might be like scammers or whatever, or they sell like fake courses. If you want to build a real long-lasting business, it only takes hard work. Very simple. I was just on Instagram actually, and who was this? Oh, it was Gary Vaynerchuk, who was like, in this era where we are right now, you have to just push out content. If you push out like just this video, if you push out one video like this per day in any niche, any category, if you love horses, go for horses. An affiliate marketer can monetize any audience because there's so many products that have affiliate programs. But treat it as a business, not as a hobby. A business has targets. For a hobby, it's like, oh, I'll just try, see whatever money I can bring in, and that's good. No. I want to make 1,000 this month, so let's make that happen. In the end, what happens is, if you treat it as a hobby, you might make $100 and you're happy. If you set 1,000 as a goal, you might reach 600 and you're unhappy, and next month you work harder. Although you did the amount 6 times as much as you would do as you treat it as a hobby. It's all mental patterns, and that's why it's so important to have the right mindset to make this happen. Even when we go back one, the shiny object syndrome is just fear, impatience, especially impatience, jealousy sometimes of other people's success, and that's why I should do it too, because they did it and it's easier. Lack of focus, lack of hard work ethic, Effort equals results, especially in business. So treat it as a business, not as a hobby. I wouldn't recommend make a business plan because I never did, but set targets. At least targets is the most important thing. Anything sales, lead generation wise, affiliate marketers should focus on this. Don't treat it as a hobby. Then for the affiliate marketers that have actually built a business, and this is, I think, the most important thing right now. Shiny object syndrome and a hobby, not a real business. That's for starters, right? For people who begin with affiliate marketing, who are new to the business. Why affiliate marketers fail on the real business level, I'm talking about 10K a month to 10 million a month, is they're unable to adapt to change. The internet pace is changing. The compliance rules are changing. Black hat, white hat, gray hat. Affiliate marketers, especially CPA marketers, they have to adapt fast. Why is this complicated? Because small teams, they can adjust fast, right? Anywhere from 1 to 5 people, they can adapt quite fast, and those companies will survive, usually. Still, maybe 75% of them will vanish. Bigger companies with like maybe 20 to 400 employees. Can you imagine 400 employees that you have to change the mindset, change the patterns, change the daily structure of that affiliate marketer? Because even if you work in a media buying company, you're still an affiliate marketer if you push like CPA products, just not a solo affiliate. If they are unable to adapt to change, then the company will fail. We're looking at cloaking on Facebook. We've all seen it, very difficult right now. We're looking at SMS marketing, pop, maybe even push. Push is popping right now, but it might be down like a half or a year from now, or it might be the new holy grail. You see things popping up and going away, like email marketing. It's not dead. Like you still, everything I'm saying when regarding unable to adapt to change, I know people doing SMS like 2 million a month in revenue. Yet I already know, and I talk with them regularly, that in 3 years from now, probably this business is not here anymore. So you need to adapt now for the changes coming. If you don't adapt now for the changes coming or focus on it, then you will focus on it when it's too late. And that is the ability to adapt to change. See the change while it's happening and not when it's already happened and you're fucked. And now more and more I realize, because in the affiliate industry is very intense, that so many businesses fail. Because I would say for me, when I look at my students, like the mastermind students, it's just persistence. The plan is so fucking easy. Follow fucking daily videos for 60 days. It's not difficult. You just have to do it. And yes, there are huge obstacles with ad account bans, IP locks, not enough cash flow. But the entrepreneur is persistent. They don't give up. They just try to jump over the hurdles, go even under the hurdles. It doesn't matter. They just go, and they find a way. So in my team, we have a saying that when people ask for questions, and these are media buyers, right? These are affiliate marketers who just work for me and they get commissions. I just always tell them when I get a question, I feel like they should know the answer to. I just say, fix it. Doesn't matter what it is. Like, oh, the tracker doesn't work. Fix it. Oh, I cannot upload to YouTube. Fix it. I have this question about this guy who wants an upgrade to the next package for the mastermind. Fix it. It gives you so much authority and it pushes you into the adoption of change. Oh, but I've never done it before, but now you're going to do it. So before you couldn't, and now you must do it, so you can. Looking back to here, it's all taking responsibility. It just shows who the real entrepreneurs are. You have the difference between business owners and the entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs want to build, want to grow, and the business owners usually just want money, right? Shiny object syndrome for beginners, hobby, not a real business, unable to adapt to change. I can talk about this for hours. You guys have seen the previous videos where I talk about these topics, but I get a lot of questions about this, like, hey, why is affiliate marketing still working? It does work. As I said, 2 million on one traffic source. It's easy. It's easy, but at the same time not easy. You need hard work, discipline, persistence, focus. You need basically everything that normal people don't have who work a day job. And that's why they work a day job. But it's not a problem, because if you are a real entrepreneur in this situation, you might hire them one day. So it always has to be in balance, right? Not everybody can be an entrepreneur, and there's nothing wrong with not being an entrepreneur. In this sense, why affiliate marketers fail, I would say unable to adapt to change is the biggest one. Really look into it, really think about it. Because if you are not looking 2 or 3 years ahead because you're so busy making your first 10K month, no disrespect to you, right? But what would happen if you make 10K a month for 5 months and everything goes down? You have to focus on what's happening, what's coming up, what's changing. If you guys have any questions about this or would like to see more of these kind of videos, please put it in the comments down below and I will check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.